Hey guys, welcome back to another Aviation Neo trip report. It's an early morning here in Central Texas, and today I'm headed to Austin Bergstrom to catch a flight with United Airlines. I'll be trying out their domestic first class product on board the 737 MAX 8. Over the years, United Domestic First has built a reputation for being one of the most underwhelming options from the US carriers. However, they recently had fixes in the works revamping almost every aspect of their first class experience. So join me on this 3-hour trip down to Los Angeles to find out how United Domestic First Class is holding up in 2025. Our journey starts in the Barbara Jordan terminal here at AUS. First class passengers are entitled to use United's Premier Access services. These include priority check-in, Star Alliance priority baggage handling, and priority security checkpoints. You still have the ability to check in online and self-tag baggage at the kiosk, but it's nice to know United gives you the option.
Your license. Looking for Deborah Wallert. Please report back to the Delta ticket counter or your driver's license. Thank you.
After a very long wait for TSA, even in the priority line, I finally made it airside. For some unforeseen reason, Austin was very busy this morning. Checking the departures, it appears that we'll be at Gate 29 this morning. The flight today is United 357, a non-stop service to Los Angeles.
Please make your way to Gate 5 at this time. For your flight to Nashville, Tennessee, your flight is fully boarded and ready for departure.
Our aircraft today is November 37305, a 2-year-old Boeing 737 MAX 8 powered by 2 CFM LEAP engines and delivered new to United in June 2023. And with the aircraft towed onto stand, it's time to board. First class passengers get to board in Group 1, allowing first dibs over overhead bin space. I also acquired a couple of United trading cards on the way in. Good morning. Thank you. United's MAX 8s are laid out in a 2-class configuration, with 16 first class seats in a 2-2 and 150 economy in a 3-3, 54 being economy plus with extra legroom. It's worth noting that all MAX 8s have United's next IFE, however only recently delivered MAX 8s have the newer Safran Cradle first class seats, those of which will not be on board today's flight. Today, I'll be in seat 4F, which is the last row of first class. Good morning.
Hi, welcome.
First impressions as I make my way on board are good. Crew is friendly and cabin looks and smells fresh and clean. I also appreciate the cabin design with the blue LED lighting and United branding. Pitch here is very generous at 37 inches. It's also worth noting that even the last row of first class reclines fully. No shame in reclining now with no one behind you. Seats are also really well padded and feature adjustable headrests. Tray tables are a bit clunky and awkward, but sturdy nonetheless. There's even a fold-out to hold your tablet or mobile devices for easy viewing. Decent storage is found around the seats, with a spot for laptops and a cup holder to the left. Power outlets include universal AC at each seat, and USB Type-A, but unfortunately no C. There's also a remote for easy use of United's IFE, but more on that later. It also appears that Seat 4F has arguably the best view of the wing and CFM LEAP engines.
Please keep your smaller items and jackets with you until we've found space for the larger carry-on.
This flight attendants will be flying into LA. Flight time goes up is now. It's going to be 2 hours and 44 minutes. Looks like it's a nice morning to go flying. Should be nice and smooth. Please be mindful of the seatbelt sign at all times. Once again, 2 hours 44 minutes. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, let us know. We'll come.
Hi, welcome. We're happy to have you aboard. We appreciate your attention as we get this safety video off and rolling.
With boarding complete, we are pushing back for an on-time departure on runway 36 right. Our route today took us north out of Austin, turning east on course. We crossed over Guadalupe Peak, El Paso, Las Cruces, Tucson, Phoenix, the Mojave Desert, Joshua Tree National Park, Palm Springs, and made a straightened approach to runway 25 left at LAX. Total flight time today was 2 hours and 42 minutes, cruising at 36,000 feet. After a beautiful morning departure out of Austin, crew began their rounds about the cabin. Their first offering to each passenger was a hot towel. This is my first time experiencing this level of service, and let's say I could get used to it. Slightly disappointed that there was no pre-departure beverage, but I get it, we were trying to ensure an on-time departure. Following the hot towels was the first round of drinks. I opted for a ginger ale, which was served in a glass over ice, the full can as expected. If you've made it this far in the video, please consider leaving a like and comment and subscribing to the channel. This is the best way to support me in making future content like this. Lately, I've been wanting to make more trip report content for you guys. I'd love to try out more long-haul niche routes, but obviously this comes at a cost. To help, I've started a Patreon account where you can support if you'd like to see more trip report content. Supporters can expect week early access to all videos, request flights for future videos, and get exclusive access to upcoming vlogs about my journey as a Baylor Aviation Science student. This is of course totally optional, and all funds will go towards producing new trip report content. Links will be in the description below, and let's get back to the video. Once we'd reached our cruising altitude, cabin crew came around offering a second round of drinks and began to take meal orders. Passengers had the choice between a full breakfast with eggs and bacon or vegan oatmeal. Signature dishes were also available for pre-order up to 24 hours prior to departure in the United app. I ordered the signature egg white bites, which came with the main course of eggs, potato and sausage, fruit salad, a croissant, butter, jam, and vanilla yogurt. Presentation was very well done, and all of the components of the meal were fresh and high quality. Pretty significant upgrade from what I've seen in the past year's trip reports. Well done, United. And I forgot to mention earlier that midway through the meal service I requested a coffee, and cabin crew did not hesitate to offer that and much more. Anyone could have asked for some extra drinks or snacks during the flight, and they would have been happily served. Great crew on board today. Heading up to the lavatory, it appeared clean and tidy. However, very cramped. Not much different from what you would expect in the back. Would be nice to see some extra amenities like earplugs, mouthwash, or fragrances as well. After returning to my seat, I went through United's entertainment system. Their system offers a very wide selection of movies and TV shows, an assortment of games, and a detailed interactive flight map with a cockpit view. Passengers also have the ability to connect their own set of headphones or earbuds wirelessly via Bluetooth, which is honestly really amazing. Another cool feature passengers have is the ability to minimize playing content and continue browsing entertainment options while listening to their movie or TV show. Overall, I found United's new entertainment system to be exceptional. The wealth of modern features like large adjustable screens, Bluetooth audio, split screens, combined with a good wealth of content makes it far superior to just about every other US carrier, dare I say competitive to many other big world-renowned airlines. This should be the gold standard for flag carriers around the world. With this flight coming to a close, it was time to begin our approach to runway 25 left.
Bye-bye, thank you.
The total cost of today's flight boils down to the method of payment. I originally purchased this flight in economy for 10,000 mileage plus miles. This is already an outstanding exchange rate. I then upgraded my ticket to domestic first for $180 cash. That definitely has to be one of the best values for a 3-hour flight in domestic first, with this flight going for nearly $1,500 one way. Is United's first class perfect? No, but it is definitely one of the better options out there now. Would I recommend it for $1,500 one way? Definitely not. But if offered as a cash upgrade for a decent value, try it. It may be hard to go back. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out that new Patreon if you're interested in supporting. I'll see you in the next one.